They're you're them. How's the
I'm the goddess. I'm them.
So we're here at XBiz Miami 2026 with the off the carpet interview. This is the only off the carpet interview at XBiz this year. So, and what's your name?
Wifey Madison or Madison Nicole.
Oh, nice. You have such nice, striking eyes and smile. I've never seen you before. I would remember you. Oh my God. How long have you been involved in the industry?
10 years.
10 years. Wow. I'm missing out. What the algorithm's messed up. I need to fix that.
You do.
I do. What the hell? Oh, so what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Sleep. Because I work all the other hours.
I can see that. Yeah. You're a worker.
Yes.
And what would you? What do your fans look for when they're chatting with you?
Everything fetish related. Yeah.
Oh.
Story.
Like
mommy stuff.
mommy.
So. PH, all of that.
So you're them. How's the?
I'm the goddess. I'm them.
So tell me more. How does that work?
Well, me and my partner, David Greenback, he's over there.
This tall
Yeah.
gentleman?
Yes.
Is he on camera? Can he be on camera?
Yeah, he can be on
He can hop
camera.
on camera. Well, he can hop in. And we're talking about him, and he's here. He should. What the hell? What the hell? How you doing, sir? What's up?
It's nice to see you, man. Hello.
Good. So she was just telling me that her fans like to be by seeing y'all two together.
They do. Yeah.
And introduce yourself.
David Greenback.
Okay, awesome. So they like to see the experience.
It's a hot fetish right now. You know, everyone's.
As it should be.
Yeah, absolutely.
I can see why, man. This is a very attractive couple, man.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
How long have y'all been together?
10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
And you in the industry 10 years. So you got her involved.
She started
the
just
other
before.
one.
Just before. Yeah.
You were like, hey, I'm about to do some adult content.
I wore a suit every day for work, and she was hard time beating what I was doing at the office. And then she was like, quit your job and come help me, and we never turned back, and that's it.
Oh my God. That's just funny. You were wearing a suit every day. Now you're wearing the opposite of a suit every day.
Just socks sometimes, mostly socks.
Suit, tie, shirt, socks, underwear. You're like, nah, now just the socks.
Just the socks.
What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
I get a hobby, so I'm not working all the time. I'll get a hobby.
I said sleep.
Sleep?
Y'all sleep.
Nah.
Y'all get it.
Hobby, definitely a hobby, yeah.
Well, thank y'all so much. I was asking these questions because I'm with Super Creator today.
Super creative. Okay.
Super Creator, and the app, it helps you save time by like.
Before. Yeah.
Okay. What do you use it for?
Just like back end stuff with like OnlyFans or things like that. Yeah.
Like that, they do a real good job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all are pros.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
10 years in the game. Okay.
Yeah, we tried everything, you know.
I
Yeah,
know all the tricks.
yeah but yours definitely works though. It's good.
Awesome. Thank you. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate the time.
What's your name?
Great. Javi Mac.
Javi Mac.
Javi Mac. And where can people find you?
You can find me on as Wifey Madison or just Google Wifey Madison.
You'll see her on because she finished #1 and she's #2 right now, but we'll finish #1 again this month. You know what I mean? Yeah.
And where can they find you?
Same place. You can find me on OnlyFans or with her.
Hey, thank you so much, guys.